I'm going towards Interlaken West, Banaf. So from there I want to just take bus like this and go to different villages. So I want to explore different villages before the lunch. So just going by bus, spend some time in the village, small village if possible, and then come back by next bus. So that is my plan. So otherwise if possible I will go to Grindelwald, so like Wengen, Murren, Latterbrunnen, best villages in the world. So these are the two things I want to do today, and if I have time then I will go to Luzern, but depends on the time. So because I am already late by 1 hour, so I don't think I can do 3 things today. So, the same road which I took yesterday in the evening walk. So now it is morning walk. I have to buy simple shoes, so I am going to one shop, I think Dutch and Barge or something like that, in front of Interlaken West Station. One Indian guy told me yesterday that is the place where we get best and cheap shoes in Switzerland. I saw yesterday night after 7 o'clock from the windows, and I can see the shoes, chappals, sandals, they are all in very affordable prices, and also they have discounts, sale. So now I am going there to buy shoes, simple minimum shoes to protect me from this cold spring in Switzerland. Daytime it's fine, but suddenly after 7-8 o'clock, so it becomes cold and we can't walk without shoes. So it is always better to wear proper shoes in Europe. So this is Interlaken West Station, so where I got down from my train Golden Pass Express yesterday. So this is that shop I was talking, Dosen Bosch plus Sport. So this is the place in Switzerland where we get excellent, cheap, affordable shoes, chappals, jackets. Going to 101 Wittenberg using 101 bus. So I will explore first this one and then 101. So it is starting from Interlaken West, Banaf, and I go to Wittenberg station. So like 11:07 it will reach. It is like 35 minutes. Then I spend some time there. Fulfill area started in Interlaken. These are all canals. So the mostly water comes from frozen, like melting glaciers. This is spring, so all glaciers will melt and water flows in streams, lakes, and then finally into rivers. So the pure water, we can drink water anywhere, in bathrooms, kitchen, everywhere. So it is a pure water in Switzerland, one of the purest in the world. Came to Wittenberg. Wittenberg is a mountainous village, so famous for trekking. So this bus will go back again at 11:20. So I will catch that bus, take this funicular to Niederhorn. So that this funicular is in next 7 minutes. So the doors will open whenever that funicular comes here. So I am going to Niederhorn. So every 20 minutes it is there. So I just go down and come back after spending 20 minutes there. Funicular has come. Door automatically opened. Now I am going to enter this. So then I will go to Lake Thun. So this is going to the town point. So that is Lake Tunisri. So from here again I can come, either can come top to this place, or I can take a ferry or bus to go to Thun. So this is the view. So next 20 minutes is an excellent ride I am going to have here in this funicular. Descent has started with funicular. Inside it looks like this. So if it is busy, we can see so many people. But today only 4, including me. 5 including me. Funicular is coming from down and it is going up. So there is a two-way here. This is automatic, no driver. So they just stop and pass by, overtake. And see the timing. Exactly they came to this point. Exactly it's 2 funiculars at one time. Station. Automatically opened. I am getting down here. So this is the station down. So you can use this to go up. You can see the timetable. So bus Interlaken Ast 2 minutes, Thun Bonaf 10 minutes, Interlaken Ast. So Thun, so all buses are displayed here. And this is car parking. And this is a nice restaurant facing lake. So now I have to take bus, or even I can take ferry. So I will see. This is the station. Interlaken Ast bus is ready, so it will start in 2 minutes. I will get onto this bus to go to Ast. I am going to Interlaken Ast. I got immediately after that funicular. This beautiful blue bus, after traveling for 20 minutes. So I took bus, yellow bus, then funicular, then this blue bus to Interlaken West. So now I want to do boat ride or ferry ride to Thun. So it starts at 12:10 and it is 2 hours. So I am also getting tempted by this double-decker IC train, one of my favorite trains in the world. But for that I have to cross the platform. So that trains I can take anytime. So always till night 10, 11. It's a beautiful train, you see. But it is on the other platform, one. It might be going to Interlaken Ast only. So next is Interlaken Ast. Just maybe 2-3 minutes from here. This is the Interlaken West station. Now I have to check for Thun. Yeah, I can see Interlaken West station. Ferry is BLS Interlaken West ferry point. Here I can take ferry to Thun, Breens, Spies. So you can see the timetable Lake Thun. మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.